I'm Kerry Webb with BGS Blue Collar Blueprint, and I'm here to explain the 7 steps to blue collar business growth. Step number 2, decide where you want to go. Here's a question every business owner should be able to answer. Where do you want your business to be 12 months from now? If you're doing 3.5 million today and you want to do 4.5, you've got $1 million gap. You don't want to just stare at that $1 million number. Break it down. How many service calls and what percent of revenue do they represent? How many installs or change outs are needed and what percent of revenue does that account for? How many maintenance members do you need to add and what's that revenue contribution? Annually, quarterly, monthly, weekly. It's all simple math, just a little addition and multiplication. Now you and your managers all know your targets, your team can know their target, and everybody can know what winning looks like. Growth becomes a lot easier when you stop saying we need to grow and you start saying, here's the number, and here's the plan. I'm Kerry Webb with BGS Blue Collar Blueprint, here to help you any way I can. Build your business, build your team, build your life.